Hunter.
Hi, my name is Michael.
Hey guys, we're here with 3KG today. Michael, Hunter, and Mason. Today we're gonna make Cra-Z-Slime Treats.
And it's gonna be on my channel.
Okay, and we're gonna make some snakes today. These guys are gonna open up these packets. It's supposed to be real easy. We have blue raspberry, orange, and green apple. Here's the snake molds. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up and start mixing.
Can I open it?
How do I open this? Daddy's gonna help.
Okay,
Yay.
that's that one. Let's see.
It smells good.
Smells good. Let's see, where's your opening? Just pour it in the bowl, baby, and then I'll give you some water.
Okay.
Wow. Can I use it?
Go ahead, Hunter, pour that in the bowl. Let me see yours, May. Go ahead, pour that in the bowl. And now, Michael, you're gonna mix warm water. I'll get it. I'll get it. It's warm.
Okay.
All right, mix that up. Here, Hunter.
Mine, I want to do it. Oh.
All right, mix that up. Let's see what you got. And then Mason's. Mix that all up, baby. That's okay. Just mix it up.
It's okay, it's okay.
Nice and easy.
Can you give me a napkin?
Yes. Oh yeah, that looks good, man. All right, mix it a little slower. Yours is looking good. It's looking pretty good. All right, let's see. Let's see.
Don't do this at home.
Why? This is okay. It's just a kit. All right, let's go ahead and pour it into the mold.
Okay.
Take your spoon out. Then we're supposed to carefully pour it into the mold. Let's see. I thought there was going to be extra, but it looks like each packet only does one snake. I was going to make... I busted out this little cat mold. I was going to make some extra ones. Let's see if we can get at least one cat out of there. And we can. We can get one cat. That's out of the blue raspberry. All right, Hunter, let's see yours. Take your spoon out. Put it on the napkin. All right, let's see.
I get orange.
That looks good.
9.
All right, now we're gonna make one cat out of the orange. Oh, we might actually.
2
Okay.
cat.
All right, now we got Mason's.
It's green sour apple.
We got some sour apple.
Yummy. Why sour apple?
Okay.
Ooh, that looks good.
We're gonna
Yeah.
make a cat.
God, I'm
see.
so excited.
That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place these in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
40 minutes
That's right.
later.
We're gonna
Later.
We're gonna put that right up there. And we're going to come back in 30 minutes and show you guys what our snakes look like. All right? We'll be back 30 minutes.
I can't wait for the gummies to be done. You too.
Yeah!
That was a long 30 minutes. Now it's time to eat our slimy treats.
Yes, we're back with our crazy slimy treats. We had them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. We're going to check these things out. The kids are going to give you a little taste review. Let's see if we can pop these suckers out.
I'm a game. Make mine again.
Who's the blue slimy? Oh, it broke.
That's okay, that's okay.
Michael Eddie Goose.
That's the blue slimy.
Wait for everybody to get their snakes. Oh,
Game now? What?
Green.
maybe I got green.
I think
Pretty cool.
I
Pretty cool green slimy treats.
I don't want mine to get cut.
Hunter, it's okay.
The head fell off.
That's okay. It's just slimy treats. No! Hunter ate his.
The arms. How is it? Oh, you got slimed.
Okay.
Let's take our cats out.
Hey, I'm gonna try mine. Oh,
See, our cats
It's
came
not
out.
bitey.
Cats came out pretty cool.
It's not bitey.
They're good? Are they tasty?
Yep.
it's
not bitey.
It's not spicy. Is it good, man?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try a piece of green one. It's interesting.
I don't want to eat one anymore.
No, you could try a different one. You can try a different flavor.
I got one. No, that's mine. Now you go.
Yeah, no, try a different flavor. So you can try the different ones. Take a piece of the blue one and try a piece of the blue one.
I like the green.
Green's good.
Actually, no, the orange.
The orange is good.
I said green instead of orange.
What do you think, guys?
I'd give it like
The cat is bad.
Cat is bad. Alright. Cat is bad.
I'll give them 3 stars. I'll give them 3 stars.
3 stars. May gives him a 5 stars.
No, what is it?
All stars, yes.
Bruce.
I like that.
Is that good?
Try mine.
No, that's not good either.
Blue raspberry is bad.
Oh, blue raspberry's bad. What do you think, May? How was blue raspberry?
He said good. He said good.
Good?
You like it? You like it?
You're not sure? What do you think? Should all the kids at home try this?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
I'll say probably.
We got Cra-Z-Art snakes,
Don't
crazy
shut it
silly
down.
treats. The snakes make your gooey crawl as you eat. Super easy, quick little thing for you guys to do at home. 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Snakes came out pretty good. Our cats came out pretty good. Kids weren't too fond of the flavors, but hey, I mean, that's what you're going to get.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the links below. Watch all the other channels. We have 3 different channels. Click on them all. Check them out. Let us know how you like our videos.
TKG in the children punter and big